How to change WhatsApp business account to normal WhatsApp. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can change WhatsApp business account to normal WhatsApp. Simply proceed to open up here. Now let me show you WhatsApp business here first. This is my business here right now, right? So I'll click on done here. This is my business account right here, WhatsApp business account, as you can see. Now if I want to switch it back to normal WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, what do I want to do? So on your WhatsApp business, head over to settings. Once on the settings here, what you want to do is you want to head into chat section and here select chat backup. Now what you want to do is you want to proceed to back up your chat here. So turn on iCloud if you have iPhone. If on Android you want to back it up to iCloud, right? To your Google account, right? So here, once you have backed up, make sure to enable iCloud backup and then click on backup now, and make sure to back up your chats or else you'll lose all your chat. So once you have backed it up totally, you want to proceed to open up normal WhatsApp application, then click on agree and continue. It'll detect your number automatically, but if you want to use a different number, you can click on use a different number here and then proceed to enter it. You can select use, then it'll send a verification code real quick and it'll prompt you to enter in your details, that is your name, and upload your profile picture and you're good to go. So it's as simple as it is. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.